Hello and welcome. My name is Crow and welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums, and to this little video it's a sound demonstration video. It's to accompany one of my Etsy listings. It's for this beautiful drum just here. So this is a Deerskin shamanic drum. It's on a 14-inch frame. It's a beechwood frame. If I turn it over, you can see the way it's been made on the back here. So we've got a branch handle. It's silver birch, the handle, and it's laced here with artificial sinew, which is extremely strong and resilient to the effects of moisture. On the inside of the frame here, I put birthed on the 16th of March 2024, Knighton, Paris, UK. That's for those of you interested in your astrology, and will enable you to find out all the information you need regarding the energies around on the day when this drum was birthed. I've put also Driftwood Hollow Drums, which is my maker's mark, and deer and beech, the animal and the tree that went to make this drum, and then you've always got that reference for those energies as well. Now I'm going to play with a firm beater and a softer beater. Starting with the firm beater, here we go. Beautiful. Okay, whoops, the softer beater. Gorgeous. Okay, hope this little video helps you to make a more informed decision. I'm Crow, it's my Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.